Hello and welcome to Lauren's Travels. Today I'm in Brandon, Florida, which is about 1 hour west of Orlando, pretty close to Tampa actually. And I'm here for one reason only, and that is to see the Disney store that is here. This Disney store is still themed and looks like the ones in the 90s, so let's go check it out. This mall also has a 2-story carousel that I see the Disney store, so let's get over there because I'm very excited. Ooh, look at that one. And look at this classic film reel here. You've got the characters in the window. Mickey is spinning around up there. And that classic sign right there. Oh, I can't wait to see what it looks like inside. We also have the Mickey over here on the wall, which I really like. It's so cute. And we have the cute characters up there. And this is something I really liked about Disneyland too, is all the way at the top they have the cute little statues. It's just weird because there's new merchandise. Ooh, like this very cute books. What are these? Yeah, they're actually like journals. Very pretty. And then you could see some more Fantasia up here. I love it. I love it so much. I feel like I have taken a step back into the 90s. And you got Ariel up there in the corner. But of course, you have the plush mountain. And then up here we have a little Alice in Wonderland area. I love how they have a little door right next to her. This is so cute. And you got Donald over here with some Ursula ink, some octopus squid ink, and they've added a lot of Baby Yoda. I know he's not called Baby Yoda, but he is to me. A lot of Star Wars. This is kind of cool. But I'm coming over to show you some more statues here. My favorite, the Beauty and the Beast section. But since I'm in here, I might as well look at some of the merchandise. Is this a real teapot? It's kind of scary that they're putting it like that. But I think it is a real teapot. And then they've got this, almost looks like denim. It feels like denim. Mickey Mouse backpack here. This is cute. And they are selling the Waffle Maker here, so you can have your own Mickey waffles at home. But I'm kind of scared to move it and see how much it costs. But that's what it looks like. So they got some more Alice in Wonderland characters up there. And you got the Mickey Mouse. But I really like this little display here. The pink and purple with the White Rabbit right up top. And it looks like people are leaving the cash register area, so I can kind of show you what it looks like. But you got that little character painting back there. I wish they didn't have stuff blocking it, but how cute. So I'm looking at the clearance section. You can see the Emperor's New Groove and Lion King mugs. And there's also this Pocahontas one. Looks very 90s too, so I thought I'd share. I might end up getting this one because I love Pocahontas and I never see stuff of her. If you guys remember stores like this from the 90s, please leave me a comment down below. I had to come out here as soon as I heard about this store. Even though I have Disney close to me, there's something about these nostalgic stores that I just love. And I love the little musical notes and everything up there by the TV. Back in the days, they would just always show like Disney songs, and they would have like a sing-along thing at the bottom. And this just reminds me of like when I was younger and malls were magical. And I would always come to the Disney store and the Warner Brothers store, which is also very themed and had fun stuff inside. And now they're playing the Up music, and it's just so cute.
Options right now. $29.98. So yeah, this one's got
And the carousel's actually going around now that I just left the store. So I wanted to show you it all lit up. I'm showing you the top because there's people at the bottom. And now I'm inside of Box Lunch Gifts. And they have a lot of 90s merchandise. Look at this Disney Afternoon shirt. So cool. I love seeing all the 90s stuff coming back slowly. And I like the Steamboat Willie hat too. And I'm back home now after visiting the amazing 90s Disney store. I spoke to one of the people that worked there, and she said that she's been there for 10 years, but the store has been there for 23. So it's been there since 1997, which is pretty amazing. So one of the things I purchased while I was there is this awesome cupcake kit. And I thought, why don't I try to make something Disney inspired for cupcakes? But I didn't want to just do the gray stuff because all that really is the frosting. So I decided to do some Dole Whip inspired cupcakes. And I have all my ingredients here, and it was an opportunity to wear my apron, so I'm very excited to put these together. I'm gonna leave the recipe for the Dole Whip cupcakes in the description box down below if you're interested to make these at home yourself as well. And I'm waiting for my cupcakes to come out of the oven, but I got these really cute oven mitts from Box Lunch Gifts. But it's starting to smell really good. They're almost done. And the cupcakes are done. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. They're right behind me. Let's go check them out. So the recipe calls for these little pineapples as decoration, but of course I bought the cupcake kit, so I already have these cute Mickey and Minnie ones. I like how they turned out, but you know the real test is the taste test, so let's try one and see what they're like. And this was really a good excuse to wear this apron, so. Very sweet, very pineapple. I recommend. And that was my visit to the cool 90s Disney store and making some Dole Whip cupcakes. Fun little Disney day, if I do say so myself. Please leave me a comment down below on what you liked from this video, and I'll see you next time on Lauren's Travels. Bye!